Okay, this question is about mixing paint or tea and cream or whatever, but I just made it black and white paint. So I'm starting with 4 cups of black paint. It's 100% black paint. Let's see. And I have 4 cups of white paint. And what I want to do is I pour 1 cup of white paint into the black paint. 1 cup goes that way. And so it's actually going to be 100% white paint that gets transferred, right? I have to write smaller on this than I'm used to, so sorry about that. Okay, so what's going to happen is I'm going to have still 4 cups of black paint are still going to be inside here, right? And 1 cup of white. So you can think of it as a mixture, but what's the mixture? The total is 5. So 1/5 is 20% is white. Okay? And then you have 3 cups of white paint over here. Now we're going to take 1 cup from the dark gray paint and place it into the white and stir again. So we're going to just move this paint over, but what is that 1 cup of paint comprised of? Well, it's 20% white. So it's actually 0.2 cups of white. And it's going to be 0.8 cups of black. You see, over here it was all white paint going from right to left. But now we're going to split up the 1 cup of paint that's moving to the right as 0.8 cups of black and 0.2 cups of white. Okay, so in the next frame we have resulting mixture. Okay, so now how much white do we have? We have 3.2 cups of white and 0.8 cups of black. And what do we have in our original now? 4 cups of black minus 0.8 cups of black is 3.2 cups of black, and it's going to be 1 minus 0.2 or 0.8 cups of white. Now, we've actually mixed these, and we can already see the ratios are the same, but they're reversed. Now it says for the dark gray paint, and then this is going to be the dark one, and this is going to be the light one, because they're not black and white anymore, they're mixed. And we want to know for the dark paint, what is the percentage of white paint? So it's 0.8. Be careful, it's not over 3.2. It's over the sum of these two values, which is 4. Okay, we actually have conserved mass, just not color. So we moved a cup and then we moved a cup back, right? So we have the same volume. And so this is the same as 8 over 40, if you want to think of it that way, or 1/5. So it's 20%. We know it's 20% because it was 20% over here, so it's got to be the same over here. We removed an equal ratio, so what the ratio that remains has to be the same. So we didn't have to redo that calculation. For the light gray paint, what is the percentage of black paint? And then, okay, so this answer is down here, and this answer is down here. The percentage of black paint is going to be the same in this case. We don't have to redo the arithmetic because, well, we just did it. Okay, so what can change in this problem? I can change the number of cups here, They don't have to be equal. They will both start with 100% black and 100% white if I do this on the exam, or 100% whatever it is. But this part is not going to change. And I could pour not 1 cup. I could pour a different amount or a different amount. So the only things I can change are what's circled. And the rest of that I would just leave the same, unless, you know, I could change the name of these things, but it wouldn't change mathematically what's going on. Okay?